Studio engineer charged for illegal gun allegedly found under his bed.
But me sorry mommy, me rather walk with a matic full of shot just before them send me in ground, cause me nah make them take my 3 points.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
26-year-old Jabari Campbell, otherwise called Oney, a studio engineer of retirement, Granville in St. James, was arrested and charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition on Saturday, January 22nd. It is understood that about 6:30 a.m., the police executed a search warrant at Campbell's house, and during the search, one 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 13 9mm rounds was allegedly found under a bed.
I understand only for come and search my brother room. What kind of injustice this? What here?
Oh, where you going there?
Him don't have no gun in here. Him don't have no gun in here.
That's nice, man.
I understand only for come and search up him room. What kind of... What here?
Hard working youth, that's enough. Hard working youth, upside my
What kind of this?
hard working youth. That was tough. Him not no gun. Him not no gun.
Watch the injustice, people. Watch the injustice.
Campbell was arrested and later charged, following a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. His court date is being finalized.
Mommy always a pray and I tell me son I watch the fight my son. But me sorry mommy, me rather walk with a matic full of shot just before them send me in ground, cause me nah make them take my 3 points. Nah see my body pan freeze I so every shoes I feel lace like Levi's. For my feet.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!